All right, folks. Austin just got him one. Look at that. What a speck.
Oh my God, what a speck.
Ooh, son. That is a fine speck there, boy. That's a slabber right there, son.
The pliers right here still.
Yeah. And folks, he just throwed out. I just got my fish put up.
It just hit bottom.
Yeah. Look at that. Ooh.
Son. That's about the biggest one I ever caught.
Is it?
Yeah. That's about the biggest one I ever caught.
That's a good one right there, boy.
I'd like to have about another 30 of these.
30 of them, yeah.
Woo. Folks, we have found them, I believe. Is that another speck?
Woo, Lord.
Yes, sirree.
Yes, sir. Some slabs, baby.
Yeah. Heck yeah.